Today we're going to do a blind audio test with the GoPro Hero 7 with the auxiliary mic adapter. And today's contenders are the Rode Video Micro, the ECM-DS70P omnidirectional microphone with a 90-degree elbow, the good old fake Sony. The plan is to go out and film on 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1 being standard, and then 1, 2, and 3, and 4 with standard plus activated. Your job is to tell me which microphone I'm using, and if you get the order correctly, well, you'll see at the end. Okay, this will be number 1. Yeah, and it's on standard mic. We'll do a whole round with plus mic. First round is standard mic, number 1. All right, let's walk a little bit so you can hear the sound of the wind. What? Am I gonna add music to this? No.
Yeah.
No, you want to sing for us?
No.
Okay. All right, so number 1, let's turn it around. Now we're walking this way, and we'll see how this sounds. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys ready for number 2? You ready?
Sure.
Number 2. Number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, we got a big game tomorrow, and I'm sure if you watch this video, you already know the outcome. Don't tell me. She went to get her scooter, so let's walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is number 2 on standard mic. Okay, you guys ready for number 3? All right, we are rocking number 3, standard mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and someone just got her scooter. Talking from the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You haven't rode a scooter in a while.
Yeah.
Should probably get your helmet.
I don't need one. And none of them fit me.
Unsafe. People are gonna say you're
Kids,
unsafe
don't
out there.
try this at home.
Yeah. It's all fun and games till someone crashes. All right. Let's do number 4. All right, number 4. Coming at you with number 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you guess? Can you guess which one I'm using on number 4? It's cold out here. You got the small socks on. All right. Second round, standard mic plus.
She's coming on good.
There's that girl that likes to speed in the neighborhood.
That is?
Yep. We are rocking number 1 on standard mic plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With a little wind blowing. Is it cold? Okay. Let's get this done. Okay, number 2 on plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Waiting for the snow to come, maybe, or just rain today.
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Okay, I got it. Give me some good. All right, we're we're gonna kill number 2. All right, move on from number 2. Let's go to 3. Okay, number 4. On plus. 4 on plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say something funny, Emma.
Hi.
That's not very funny. All right, talking from the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this one, I can't say what I want to say, but there you go. All right. Oh, we got one more to do.
4.
Did I say that was 4? This is number 3. This is 3. This is 3 if I said 4. Okay.
What?
Let's do number 4 now. Now we're doing 4.
Now.
Yeah, now we're 4.
Now.
Yeah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on plus. Okay. Well, can you figure it out? Maybe. Okay, if you're the first to comment with the correct order, or if you're the first to comment with 1, 2, 3, and 4, and notating the correct microphones, I will send you a prize in the form of some type of special coin. I will just grab your instant message you, get your address, and send it that way. But you can't tell anybody what it is when you get it. It's a secret. Right? Okay. Signing off with number 4. Stay active. Have a good day. Say bye-bye.